Oh shit! Fuck! Tits! Ass! Ah! I don't believe it.
I'm recording on video.
Holy shit!
Jesus.
Holy shit! I think I just. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Wow!
Oh. Holy shit!
Look at the fire.
Holy shit! I think you should back up a little tiny bit. Alright,
I'll
fine.
move when the fire truck comes.
Holy shit, that was amazing.
Ew, it stinks.
That was pretty good.
Look at the fire tornado. Look. How cool is that?
That is awesome.
They better get here. That's gonna like catch on stuff. They sure are lucky that it was. Look at the tornado. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Can I zoom this?
I wonder what's in that big container.
Well, look at there's a man with a look at the. Oh, that's gonna help. Actually, it probably will help a little bit.
No. Did you hear him?
No.
Like, fuck.
Oh man, get away from that dude.
Dude! Hey man, get back, dude. That's not helping.
Is he making it worse?
I think so. I think he's just pushing it around. Holy crap, look at that smoke.
Man.
No, dude, where's the fire department when you need them?
They're coming. He said they're coming. Or she said they're coming.
Dude, look at that! Holy crap!
That is beautiful, isn't it?
I can feel the heat, kind of.
Can you?
Yeah, I can feel the heat now. Wow. I gotta
Look
take
at
a
the
picture.
tornado.
Oh my
man.
gosh! That is awesome.
Holy shit, that's so cool. Look at that!
Holy shit! Dude! That's awesome.
Oh my god, that's so exciting.
That is freaking amazing.
Did he run out of extinguisher fluid stuff?
Look at all the people stopping.
Yeah, now they're stopping, but my Peter, my eagle-eyed brother Peter. Look at that little, look at it!
Shit. That is amazing.
Man.
Oh, I can smell that crap.
Here he comes.
Fuck this. It smells nasty. Oh, look at that little tornado.
Oh, look at the one that isn't with fire. Oh man, that is just amazing looking.
That is insane.
Wow. Oh, that's just...
High five.
I have always wanted to see one of those in person. A fire tornado
Look at
like
that. It's still going.
Well, it keeps rebirthing itself. Like it'll.
What are you honking at? Dude. That is sick.
Wow.
Just look at these guys.
You think I should blink at them so they know where the fire is?
I don't know, maybe. Are they here?
Yeah.
I don't know. The big boy.
It's over there!
How would they deal with this if it's an electrical fire?
Oh no, he's going to pull right in front. Oh, he didn't. Is he going to tell me to move? He's going to tell me to move.
I don't think so. Hey.
I'm standing on my brakes so hard I feel like I'm going to break something.
How would they deal with this?
Well, we're about to find out. How cool is that? Here comes Mr. Fire Extinguisher Man. I wonder if I actually...
No.
Now, they'll tell me to move if they need me to move, right?
Yeah.
I'm not going to try to...
Wow.
What's he
Oh,
saying?
did you hear him?
No.
It's a diesel tank.
What, that he's next to?
Yeah.
Shit.
Fuck this. Like, Jack, that's a diesel tank.
Look at the pole smoking. Do you see that?
Yeah, that means it's hot. That
I
thing
can't.
is hot.
It's all the creosote boiling out of the pole, isn't it?
Yeah, dude, they better put this out quick, because diesel tank is not a
Well, if they thought it was going to explode, they'd make us move.
That is pretty awesome.
When they're not right in front of me, should I pull a little closer, you think?
You should go that way.
Yeah, like that's what like go up against the fence maybe.
Yeah, like, hug it.
Actually, I'm afraid to move at all because they might notice me and say, "Hey, okay, you can't watch anymore."
Well, then when that happens, I'll be right here. I got a good view. Turn your car off.
I'm afraid that it won't start again and I'll die. No, it's okay. It doesn't hurt to leave it running for now.
I can hear the wood crackling.
Can you? Oh, man. Look at how it's still dripping down from the top there.
What's it dripping?
Those things are, I think the transmission things are filled with oil.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the heroes. Yay. Here they come to save the day. Dang, I wish I could zoom this in. Can I? Maybe I can. No, you cannot see it. Won't let me zoom in.
Dang, that is a big old thing of smoke. Black.
I wonder why there aren't so many tornadoes now. I guess it just is the factor of whether there's wind blowing.
There's still some.
That wouldn't be just water they're spraying on it with there being electrical stuff, is it?
Maybe, maybe not.
Look at how he comes up slowly and carefully up to the base of it. Instead of just blasting into it, he just... Look at... Oh, the pole itself is on fire now. Look at that.
Oh,
Oh, man. I sure am glad I called. I sure am glad you suggested it. It just seemed impossible that there'd be a fire and nobody had called it in.
you see a little pop?
I heard it, though. See, I'd be panicking and trying to put it out all the way up the pole. We'll see where the fluid falls, and it's catching again. There's not a whole lot they'll be able to do about that. That's going to be a tough one. You know, there's those two other transformer cans that could catch.
That's not good.
And that's just where that fire's headed. Boy, I'm so glad that I caught that it on tape or whatever. That'd be funny if I actually wasn't recording. That would suck so bad. Yeah, it's counting. We're 8 minutes in already.
Damn, that stinks. Bah. Oh man.
Yeah.
It's like burnt rubber.
Burnt something. How come they're just standing there now? What are they,
Thinking about what they're gonna do, maybe.
Well, look, how come it's not actually going more? It almost looks like it's going out on the pole. Is that my imagination?
Looks like it's just staying there.
That's so amazing. I love the little whirls that the fire makes as it goes up the pole. Imagine that being like sculpture, like having a display like that. It is going out. How'd they do that? I didn't see them spray the pole. I'm so puzzled. No, it's not going out. It's going up still. Dude, put it out. Yes, your hose works. Now use it. Is this right? Am I doing this right? Or maybe they were afraid because of the electricity or something.
I would be.
Yeah. Maybe they were trying to see how long they could go before they put the water on it. still have it go out in time. It's got to be heating the bottom of that transformer up something fierce, though. Dude, what is... What are they spraying it over there?
Numbers, maybe.
Oh no, they are spraying. I guess it was just heat. Ah, those fire tornadoes are so amazing. I thought for a minute he had a dog in his coat. I know, you know how people have a puppy in their coat. I wonder why they're not spraying it.
Because it's right next to the electric or something. I don't know.
I thought creosote was flammable. I'm kind of surprised it doesn't burn more vigorously.
I hear another police engine or something. I see one too.
Yeah, I see it. He's a little late to the party, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's what's going on. Maybe they because of electricity or what have you, maybe they have to have a different kind of chemical.
How much water do these things hold?
For some reason, the number 50,000 gallons is sticking in my head, but I don't know if that's accurate or not. We could look it up later. Or we could ask them if they're not too busy. Yeah, it's another big truck. Bet you anything they've got the proper chemicals for dealing with an electric fire.